Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are good. I know after watching my last two videos about sleeping, you have one more question. How to make sleeping on the floor more comfortable. So, today I am here to answer. Let we check how to make sleep on the floor more comfortable. If you have never slept on the floor before, making a shift can be a little uncomfortable, but it's worth it. Here is what you can do to make your transition all more smooth. First of all, you need to be prepared mentally. Expect the fact that the first few nights will be uncomfortable. Your body might act a bit as it will be adjusting to the new surface. Second thing is you need to choose the right surface. Sleeping on the floor doesn't have to mean sleeping directly on the ground. You can use multiple materials to soften the surface a bit without eliminating the benefits. You can use a tatami, a mat the Japanese have been using for more than 1,000 years, or you may just use a simple yoga mat. Third one is you need to consider your pillow. Don't sleep on the floor with whole bunch of pillows. You can use a thin one that elevates your head a bit, or you can even use your arm to elevate your head. Using too many pillows to prop your head just for the comfort is not the way to go. You may not reap the benefits and may wake up in the morning with the neck ache instead. Even you can place a pillow under your knees if sleeping on your back if required. Fourth and last thing you need to remember, choose the right sleeping position. Sleeping on your side, your stomach, or even your back, all are good. It only depends on what works for you. Experiment with different positions. Ensure you are not sleeping in too much pain. The spine should be properly aligned. If you are sleeping to the side, ensure your neck is in line with the spine. You can use a thin pillow or even your arms for this purpose. And if you are sleeping on your stomach, ensure the pillow is not too high. If you have one, this can result in neck pain. I hope you like my video. Please do thumbs up, and if you want more informative videos like this, press the red subscribe button and bell icon to get notified from my channel. Thank you for watching.